This is how you can make money with Digistore24. I'll show you how to register with Digistore24. So go to your Chrome browser and search for digistore24.com, or you can just search then, or go to digistore24.com. Then click on register. So enter your username. Make sure it's a unique one. Then enter your email. Choose the password. Make sure you enter the password with different characters, and then click on these terms and condition, and then click continue. You will then verify your account, and then come back. After verifying your account, come back and log in to your account. So let me log into my account. So after logging into your account, come to account and then click on Payout Account. This is where you will set up your PayPal. You will enter your PayPal information. So you fill in this. You can put the threshold of the amount of money you want to be paid. When you reach a certain amount, you get paid. So click on all these currencies and the seller, then enter your PayPal account. So choose the method. I prefer PayPal. Then that is how to enter your payout account, and then click save. So after that, you can come to marketplace to find offers that you want to promote. So I'll recommend you choose between these three niches: health and wellness, wealth and relationship. So for today, let's check out the digital products. Just come here, click on, let's say, business and investment. Those are some of the products you can promote. And then let's choose this millionaire secrets, where you earn up to 95% commission. What you need to do is click on the sales page to see how this offer looks like. So let's check out this sales page. So this is an ebook. Learn exactly how to build 4 online business, make 6 figures, and how you can make $10,000 per month. So someone will come and check out this. Here are some reviews, and these are book you can easily promote. Yes. So someone will come and click here to order. He or she will enter his credit card or PayPal and purchase. So you will earn 95% commission on this product when someone purchases. Let's go back to this offer. So the affiliate support page is where you'll get materials to promote this offer. So click on this support page to get the offers you can promote. Let's go back. Yeah. So affiliate support page is where you'll get the materials to promote. So for you to get the link to promote, just click on promote now and then copy. You can do this one on your smartphone. Just make sure you take the option of the desktop option in your smartphone if you want to promote it. Let's go back to the marketplace and see more offers. So let's choose the health and wellness, fitness and health, and see some of the products we can promote. You can always come here and choose cut conversion. This is the conversion where customers, the number of customers versus the number of customers who purchase it. So look for products that have the highest conversion. So you can promote this keto meal plan. So the same thing, you'll see, check out the sales page to see if it's nice and something that your audience can be satisfied with. Then come back, click on copy promo link. This is the link you will use to promote. You see? And in this one, you will earn 85% commission from selling this product. This is the product I'm promoting right now because it has a free offer, and that is how you can collect leads, by promoting that there is a free offer. So this product gives someone a free recipe, and after a while it gives them an option to purchase the product. So it's affordable and anyone can purchase it. So most of the traffic for these offers come from the US. This is where you will make more money. So always look for audience from the United States, UK, or Australia. Then don't focus on Africa, because most of the people who purchase these products are from outside Africa. So to promote these products, you can do it on Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. But the best for beginners is TikTok. Open a TikTok account, post videos on health and wellness, or make content on health and fitness, and then refer people to the link. You just come in and copy link and add it on your bio. Same thing to Facebook. You can create a Facebook group and then advertise there, or join different Facebook groups. Make sure you post content for people to trust you, and when you build that trust, that is where people will be able to purchase from you. All you need to do is be consistent with the promotion of this product, and always offer value. People buy from you if you are offering value. You don't just post link anyhow. So that's how you can make money with Digistore24. In case you have any question, you can just reach out to me. You can comment interested, or just send me a DM and I'll be ready to guide you through.